Welcome to today's edition of Crypto Corner at InvestorIdeas.com. News on what's driving the cryptocurrency market. Hey everyone, this is Sam Mowers here. Welcome to episode 813 of the Crypto Corner podcast. For news today, MasterCard has filed 15 trademark applications for NFTs and the metaverse. Blockstream and Block Inc. have announced the construction of their Bitcoin mining facility, and Blue Sky has entered a JV agreement with Monbank Corporation. Just before we get into the news today, a quick reminder that if you enjoyed this podcast, to please feel free to share it or leave us a review. And as always, I recommend checking out some of the other podcasts on InvestorIdeas.com. This includes the Cannabis Podcast, the Clean Tech and Climate Change Podcast, along with many others, all of which will bring you up to speed on the latest stock news and trends in their respective spaces. Right, so Cointelegraph reports that MasterCard, which trades on the NYSE under the ticker MA, has filed 15 non-fungible token or NFT and metaverse trademark applications with the United States Patent and Trademark Office. According to the article, this comprises plans for a virtual community for interacting with digital assets, the processing of payment cards in the metaverse, an online marketplace for buyers and sellers of downloadable digital goods, virtual reality events, and more. This follows the payment giant's hiring of more than 500 new employees in February to consult with banks and merchants about adopting crypto-enabled technologies and NFTs. Moving along, crypto storage firm Blockstream, a private company, and Block Inc., which trades on the NYSE under the ticker symbol SQ, formerly known as Square, have announced the construction of a fully solar-powered open-source Bitcoin mining facility. The collaborative venture is going to be powered by a 3.8 megawatt Tesla solar PV array and 12 megawatt-hour Megapack, which is expected to drive the 30 petahashes per second of mining hardware at the facility with 100% solar energy. Tesla, by the way, trades on the Nasdaq under the ticker TSLA. At the time of the project's announcement back in June 2021, Blockstream CIO Chris Cook commented, quote, "Together we plan to provide public transparency by sharing the project economics and knowledge we've gained from building a Bitcoin mine powered by renewable energy. Ultimately, we hope to demonstrate how Bitcoin mining in conjunction with renewable energy can help drive the clean energy transition." End quote. Blue Sky Digital Assets Corp., which trades on the CSE under the ticker BTC, has entered into a strategic joint venture agreement with Monbank Corporation with the aim of expanding its current Bitcoin mining operations and capabilities in Texas. The first phase of this agreement will see both companies acquiring 50% working interest in an industry revolutionary and state-of-the-art 1 megawatt Bitmain Antbox liquid cooling system, which will house a combined 195 S19 Pro Plus or S19 Hydros ASIC miners, which are hydro liquid cooled. Blue Sky's CEO Ben Gelfand said, quote, "The selection of the S19 Hydro was based on the fact that the cooling technology makes this miner the ideal unit to withstand any temperature uptick in the Texas region. The strategy we are targeting is to acquire and to have a minimum of 10 megawatts of these units in operation between Q4 2022 and Q1 2023. End quote. That does it for today's Crypto Corner. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website. And this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products, services, or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss of investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Apple Podcasts, Audible, Spotify, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio, Google Podcasts, and most audio platforms available.